After successfully logging in using unused and unverified Google Mail account, creating a new Claude Code account, and setting it up using free plan, it is time to use Claude Code. For a starter, try to select the option to look over my code and give me tips. Continue on according to the option given, or just type another task in the last text field showing the label, something else. For an example, type an instruction to create a Django project application.